पीपल पार्टी के सीनियर रहनुमा एतजाज हसन अपनी ही जमात पर बरस पड़े। मिलिट्री कोर्ट्स में सिविलियन के मुकदमात का चलाना गैर कानूनी करार। मिलिट्री कोर्ट्स के इस कानून को काला कानून करार दे दिया। और क्या कहा आगे आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाते हैं।
The Constitution and full obedience to the law barring the bill not assented to by the President of Pakistan. The recognition that all military courts are incompetent to try civilian citizens of any charge and therefore calls upon the government to discontinue the policy of setting up military courts. It calls upon the Election Commission and the government to hold elections within the mandated 90 days. The right of full and free participation to all political parties, their cadres and leaders on a truly level playing field is also demanded. Irrespective of the leader or the party or the persuasion he may belong to. This is not a forum of any particular one political party. It is a forum for all political. The immediate revision of all utility bills and the rationalization of all taxes payable by the people of Pakistan. Failing which, the Pakistan Lawyers Action Committee will convene an all-Pakistan Lawyers Convention to achieve the above objective through a non-violent movement in accordance with law and fundamental rights in coordination with the Supreme Court Bar Association, the High Court Bar Association, the Provincial Bar Association, and all district bar associations. As there have been several most honorable presidents of the SCBA since 2007 to maintain continuity with the last movement undertaken by the lawyers 2000.